I didn't grow up with a lot of money, so I learned to save in every way, shape, and form that I could. I shop at Ross, I would go to the dollar store for all of my things. I would save money wherever I could. And sometimes it was to my benefit and sometimes it was to my detriment because at the end of the day, there were a lot of things I ended up having to replace multiple times because I bought cheap instead of best. So when it comes to your life, where are you buying cheap instead of best? Are you investing in your health and wellness? Are you investing in your mental fortitude? Or are you just penny pinching, going on YouTube, saving stuff on Instagram to try to piecemeal your life together into a better space? If that's the case, I implore you to stop doing that because you're hurting yourself more than you're helping yourself. You don't know how long you're going to be on this earth. You don't know what God has in store for you. But I do know one thing. He wants you to live a bountiful, a beautiful, a a fruitful life. But you can't do that if you don't get the help you need. And sometimes you're not equipped to help yourself. Sometimes you need additional assistance. And that's where a life coach comes in. So if that sounds like you, if you've been piecemealing your life together, trying to figure things out, and you're still stuck, you're not seeing progress, then DM me Path to Power and let's talk about how I can get you in my one on one life coaching program and see if it's really a good fit for you.